everybody, welcome to another daily vlog. I've got the lurgy, I've got the cold, and a really interesting thing that happened today was I got an automated text from my doctor to basically say flu jabs are now available for this year. So yeah, that's kind of fun. I do actually think that maybe I have got that flu right now, so I don't know, but hey ho. I hope everybody is doing well today. I'm actually not too bad, like mentally I'm good, really good. Dave and I, hello, are off to town today because we still have to put the money in from last weekend's Blackpool trip into the PDSA account. So we are going to do that right now and then probably do some shopping. And I'm expecting a very important package.
You are indeed, which is going to be awesome. Which we're super excited to share with you guys later on.
So let's get to it.
Yeah, do it.
Done all the coinage. Put the cash in. Money is sent.
All sent. £165 and 10p.
Yes.
To be exact.
Yes, because we found an extra 10p in the bottom of the bag.
So we thought we'd add that.
I will throw it in.
Every little helps. So
My package arrived.
It's a big package.
This is a very heavy package as well. This is who's sponsoring our video today. Musclefood. Whoop whoop whoop. Yesterday I briefly spoke about how my nutrition's getting a little bit pants, and I've spoken about it quite a few times, you know, in the weekly vlogs over the last few months. We got in contact with Musclefood because we have used them before, and we've actually tried their products before and we've been absolutely like fine, and we've absolutely loved like the service that they've given us. And they replied back that they wanted to work with us to hopefully get my nutrition back into shape. So I'm going to go and open this big box now and I'm going to show you what I've got. So this is the box. It's so huge, it's massive. Let's try and open it up, shall we? This order is complete, packed with care by Anne. Thanks, Anne. And here we go. Do the unthinkable. This is exciting. If you don't know who Musclefood are, Musclefood is kind of like an online supermarket for high protein and healthy food products. Not only Musclefood is an online store, they have started this brand new 90-day transformation plan, which is called Do the Unthinkable. Yeah, they got in touch with us and said, hey, why don't you try and review this for us and see what it's all about. So I'm just going to go and open my envelope. And I'm very excited to try this out. So this 90-day plan is quite exciting really, because not only your meals are all prepped for you, you also get an online personal trainer that will help you with some advice and give you support. And not only that, you get given this lovely DVD that is full of lots of workouts that you can do at home, which I'm very excited for me to try. And Dave.
Oh yes, I'm going to be trying some of these out.
You're trying?
Oh yeah, I'm definitely going for you.
So with this 90-day plan, you can choose whether or not you wanted the full 7-day, the 7-day meal preps, the 6-day meal preps, or the 5-day meal preps. It's entirely up to you. I have got the 7-day, so I'm going to be trialing this out for the full 7 days and seeing how it goes. And yeah, let's have a little look at what I have in here. Look at all this stuff. Oh my life, there is so much stuff in here. Here comes the fresh goods.
The fresh stuff.
In the big bag. Come on, Dave.
There's lots of stuff, including ice packs for free.
Lots of ice packs. Okay, so here we go. This is my 7-day plan. Please ignore the coffee machines and the chickpea shelf. But yeah, this is all the stuff. This is so much food. I cannot believe how much food there is. You can choose what type of food that you want, so you can select whatever you want. I've got a lot of soups here, so we've got butternut squash and chili, we've got chicken and sweet corn soup, and we've got teriyaki chicken noodle soup, so they're all high in proteins and low sugars. We also have some scrambled egg, we've got some ready meals as well, which are also going to be perfect for the lunch, which is chili and black bean chicken, we've got chicken satay, we've got sweet chili chicken, we've got chicken barbecue, we've also got some chicken pad thai with vegetables, beef lasagna with roasted Italian vegetables, and pulled pork beans with rainbow vegetables. Ooh, that sounds really, really good. And then the stir fries. Now the stir fries I have had before, and I will highly recommend these to anybody because the protein in these are like, yeah, they're really good. They're really, really good, and they are super tasty. So like, I've got Thai chicken stir fry, I've got chicken balti curry, I've got chicken fajitas, I've got Chinese pork stir fry, which is super tasty, teriyaki salmon stir fry, we've got the plain chicken and veg stir fry, and the chili beef stir fry as well, which that's another one that is really, really good. We've got some breakfast items as well. So I picked out the oats because I do find that oats are a lot more filling. I've got apple sultana and cinnamon. I've got chocolate flavour. I've got just a crunchy peanut flavour. I've got a gingerbread. Very excited for that. And I've got banana. And then I've got all of these snacks. Now I don't think I've ever seen that many snacks in my life. I don't really consume loads of snacks, but it was all included in the meal plan anyway, and you get to choose what sort of like snacks that you want. So you could have protein popcorns, hippies, we've even got these that sound really nice, these Ollie's olives. These sound really good. We've got mountain chips, we've got protein crunchies. What's this one? What's that? A chocolate decadence high protein bar. Got all sorts of stuff in here. This is really all of the stuff that you get. So along with the food plan that you get, I mentioned before that you do get the workout DVD, and you also get this chart as well, which kind of gives you a timetable of when to really work out. So it's like, for example, day one is like the fitness test, and it will tell you what kind of circuits to do, and these are all on this DVD. It also has on here your fitness test, comparison scoreboard, and it also has your measurement tracker as well on there, so you can actually start seeing the difference as well on how you're getting on with your 90-day plan.
Like a booklet you get, which is kind of like helps you out with other things, and there's like program rules, and it's like, can I eat fruit with my meals? Yes, of course you can. 2 servings of fruit per day is highly beneficial. And then also going through like how much tea and coffee can I drink. They recommend having just black coffee or black tea only. Little tip here is where it says, instead of having coffee the first thing in the morning, drink a pint of water with freshly squeezed lemon and see your energy levels go through the roof. It also talks about oil and how much oil you should use, the best cooking oils when you're cooking all the stir fries, like adding rice to your curries, and like how much water, and you know, for the adults.
Can I drink alcohol?
We are all human, and the interacting with friends and family are an essential part of growing up as an individual. So we would never say no. So there is limits to this. And the one good thing I like about this as well is that the fact of, it talks about, they have a Facebook group. So as you're part of this Do The Unthinkable, there is a group that you can actually chat to other people that are on the same plan as you.
Yeah.
And also the support team as well will be able to help you through any issues if you're falling back or if you're injured, which is really, really good, and it's nice to know that there are people that will help you out.
Yeah, so it's got a really good support network on there.
They also do things like live chats on Facebook, and you can chat to them on Facebook Messenger. It's a really, really good little system they got here, and like we said, you guys can get involved with this if you wanted to, and like do 5, 6, 7 day plans, so it's all good.
So yeah, when Musclefood did get in touch with us regarding nutrition, we've both used their products before, and we've always gone for like the hamper packs and stuff, and we've always been so surprised at, you know, the quality of the food and everything like that. And so we are generally really, really happy that we are working with them today. Yes. I mean, hopefully this is going to put me back into a rhythm again, you know, for my nutrition, and this is what I kind of needed. I think I just needed some form of guidance to guide, and it's going to be wonderful as well, especially for this tracker as well, because it will help you, won't it, get into shape as well. Yes. So you could get everybody involved, can't you? It's really good. So so I'm kind of sorted with food, Dave. What are you going to eat all week?
I don't know. I'm going to have to think of some items myself while you're sitting there with all your good food.
Don't be that type of person who will just go, oh, I'm just going to go to Chippy.
Yeah, I'm not going to do that, don't worry. I'm not going to put you through that. You've got so much good options of food here. Like, I think you'll be okay. Like, you've got, the thing I like about it is the fact of with snacks, you just don't have just crisps, you've got olives, you've got like,
you can select
so many things.
It's like when you're choosing your plan, you can select what foods you want. So if there's any foods that you don't like, you don't have to put them in there. There's options for everybody.
Yeah. If you guys are interested in joining this, you don't have to do the full 7 day. You can do the 5 day or the 6 day. If you use the code KrispySmore5, which is the number 5, you will be able to get £5 off your actual joining of this 90-day unthinkable plan, which is absolutely amazing. If you want to check this out, or if you're not too sure, you kind of want to check our videos out, we'll be doing plenty more videos in the future of the food and obviously the workouts, so you guys can get like a little bit of a little teaser of what you could be
so don't you worry, I'm going to give you a full honest review and opinion about all of this that I'm going to be doing, and yeah, I'm very excited to be taking part in this. You know, I'm all about eating the right foods and being safe in regards to keeping fit and, you know, eating the right nutrition and stuff. And this is why we were looking more into Musclefood, and we were seeing what kind of you know, the quality of the products and everything. And this is why I'm a little bit excited to actually start this, because their food is pretty good. There's even like little stickers on here that say short buy date. The sticker says short use buy date. For a good reason. Only wholesale ingredients without preservatives or nasty chemicals. I am best enjoyed from chilled, but you can also freeze me.
There you go.
So there we go. So yeah, that's all of that. If you are interested, I mean, I know quite a few of you have actually contacted us in regards to the not finding like the support network that I can have with my gym. And when I heard about this 90-day plan, yeah, I just thought I would show it to you guys, see if you're interested.
So if you are interested in doing this, like we said, make sure you use the discount code KrispySmore5 and press the link in the description below. That will take you over to Musclefood's website and you can go and check it out. You get £5 off, and yeah, if you are looking forward to the future videos, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because this is something awesome. And thank you to Musclefood for letting us work with you guys, because it's absolutely amazing. Thank you so much.
And get ready for the giggles and the laughs.
Oh yes.
So yeah, I'm going to go and put all this away before it all goes a little bit warm. Using one of my Lion King boxes to put all my stuff in. I've got so much. I wonder if they've just thrown some random things in here for me. I don't know. They tend to do that. I know Musclefood have a tendency of throwing like random samples in and stuff like that. So there we go. That's the snack box. Let's switch that on. Let's get some Vicks Vapor Rub going. And I've got a bowl. Let's do this. Got my towel. See you in a minute. Whew. Tell you, this stuff's great. Just having just a little bit of vapor rub with some hot boiling water. Put a towel over your head. Just inhale it. It's great. It's great. It's good. It's good. Helps clear your sinuses and you feel wonderful. Hello everyone, time has passed. I've been to the gym, had a good chat with my coaches again. Everything is all groovy. I had a really good like workout today, and I brought some of the food in for them to have a little look, because they were a little bit intrigued as well, and they were very surprised about the nutritional information and stuff on them. So they were like, good stuff. If anything can help you continue on and to get you back into nutrition, they are all for it. So that kind of puts some peace of mind in there. So yeah, I'm very excited to try out this plan for the next, I think it's like for the next 2 weeks, to see how it goes. Feel really confident, really good. So I'm going to start all that tomorrow. I'm going to make a cup of tea, because why not? My nose is still a bit bunged up. It feels a little bit like autumn now, which is also very good. And yeah, we're not doing too bad. Well, this is fun, isn't it? Hello, this is editing future me here. We've got some lovely files that are corrupt, so didn't really end the vlog. So this is future Steffi ending the vlog. I really hope that you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a chatty unboxing vlog. Thank you so much for Musclefood for sponsoring us. And yeah, I am super excited to try out all of this food. I've already had one of the porridges and it was pretty nice. It was the apple porridge that I had and it was really good. And it's now 1:20 and I've realised I'm not eating, I've not eaten lunch yet, because this is what I do. I tend to just work and work and work and work and completely forget about food. Must keep eating stuff. So yeah, there we go. There's my first hurdle. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really hope that it's helped some of you guys as well. Like what we said before, we do have a discount code. I'll leave the code down below for you along with the link, so that you guys can go and check out what the what Musclefood are providing for the 90-day Do the Unthinkable challenge. So I'll leave that all down there for you. I hope that you enjoyed this today, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow for my favourites video, which I'm actually struggling trying to find what of my favourites this month. I mean, this month has gone too quick for me to think about what has been my favourite. I know the big things, but the little tiny things, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. But first I've got to go and eat some food. So I'll leave you guys to a wonderful evening, whatever you guys are doing. You guys know what to do. If you did like this video, give it a massive thumbs up. I really appreciate it. I believe 36% of you are actually not subscribed and watch us. So come on guys, join the community. Click the red button down below and subscribe. I will see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.